Are you ready to take your iPad experience to the next level? Discover the hidden features of your iPad with 6 essential tips and tricks to make the most out of your iPad in no time. While taking screenshots might be a familiar process for you, you may not be aware that you can use this feature to capture an entire web page's content. To do this, simply trigger the screenshot. Tap the thumbnail in the corner of your iPad and select the Full Page tab. Adjust the slider to your preferred length for the web page, then save or share the image if desired. Save time while reading lengthy text by using a quick shortcut. When using Safari, Mail, or Messages, simply tap the status bar located at the top of the screen to immediately jump to the top of the page. Need to jot down ideas on the fly? The Instant Notes feature is here to help. It lets you start jotting down your thoughts right away, even when your iPad is locked. Just tap on the locked iPad display with your Apple Pencil and it launches directly into the Notes app without the hassle of unlocking and launching the app. Are you tired of saving images one by one? Saving multiple photos at once is also easier than you might think. All you have to do is press and hold a photo you want to save and drag it to a corner of the screen. Then, without lifting your finger, tap all the additional photos you want to store to your library. They'll form a neat pile, ready for viewing whenever you like. The Universal Clipboard feature enables users to synchronize all their clipboard and checklist data throughout their Apple devices via iCloud. With this feature, you can effortlessly pinch with 3 fingers to copy content from your iPhone and unpinch with the same 3 fingers to paste it onto your iPad seamlessly. It works for all types of content, including text, photos, which is kind of magic. You can believe in technology again. Finally, we highly recommend setting night shift mode on your iPad to help reduce eye strain and improve your sleep patterns. You can turn on night shift in Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and placing your finger on the brightness slider to activate night shift mode. Thank you for tuning into today's video, where we discuss new and exciting features of the iPad that can be customized to suit your specific preferences. We hope you found the information informative and valuable. If you did, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We look forward to seeing you again soon.